Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will compare two popular air fryers, Emeril Lagasse and Gourmia. We will evaluate these products in several categories so you can make the best choice for your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. When it comes to capacity, Emeril Lagasse takes the lead with its biggest digital air fryer oven of 26-quart capacity. It can fit a whole rotisserie chicken and 3 cooking racks for an entire family dinner. Gourmia, on the other hand, has a multi-cooker combo electric oven that can accommodate multiple cooking methods, but it is much smaller in size. Emeril Lagasse offers 24 custom presets that make cooking more convenient and elevates your everyday meals with extraordinary results. Gourmia has 1-2-1 touch digital presets that help deliver the best cooking results for your favorite dishes. Both air fryers are a healthier way to fry food than traditional frying methods. However, Gourmia takes the lead in this category with its fat removal technology in the air fryer basket that removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. Emeril Lagasse includes every accessory and tool for delicious family meals, from a crisper tray basket, air fryer rack, baking pan, grill plate with a handle, rotisserie spit set, rotisserie fetch tool, drip tray, and an easy-to-follow recipe guide. Gourmia offers dishwasher-safe air fryer accessories that go straight into the dishwasher after use, bringing convenience to your kitchen. Gourmia offers a 1-year comprehensive international warranty, giving you peace of mind that your air fryer is protected. Emeril Lagasse's warranty information was not found on their website. That's a wrap for our comparison of Emeril Lagasse and Gourmia air fryers. Both products have their pros and cons, but it's up to you to decide which one fits your needs best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. See you in the next one.